In yesterday's session, we learned about how to set up Liferay 6.0.6, and today we are going to learn about how to install Liferay IDE with Eclipse. So for that, we require Eclipse and Liferay IDE. So I have already Eclipse zip file is available under required softwares. Just copy that Eclipse zip file into our workspace directory that will be available under Cygwin Java Liferay 6 demo. Just paste here and unzip this Eclipse. So open Eclipse folder and click on Eclipse. So it is showing some message: a Java runtime environment or Java development kit must be available in order to run Eclipse. No Java virtual machine was found after searching the following location. So we need to copy the JRE to Eclipse directory. So I have already JRE is available under required softwares. So just copy the JRE version to Eclipse directory, and now double click on Eclipse. So now our Eclipse is starting. So select the workspace. So go to my computers, D drive, Cygwin, Java, and Liferay 6 demo folder as our workspace, and make that workspace as default. So whenever we started Liferay, by default it will use that Liferay 6 demo as a workspace folder. Then click OK. So when Liferay started, by default you will see a welcome page of the Liferay. Just close the welcome page. So now we need to install Liferay IDE into Eclipse. So we can install Liferay IDE in two ways: by directly giving the URL of the Liferay IDE, or if you have already downloaded the archive of the Liferay IDE, you can directly browse that one and we can install that plugin to the Eclipse. So how we can install Liferay IDE to the Eclipse, we will see now. So go to help and click on install new software. So now click on add button. So now it will ask for add repository. Give the name as Liferay IDE and browse the archive file. I already downloaded that one, so that will be available under Liferay 6 demo required softwares. Just browse that one and open and click OK. So now check the two checkboxes, Liferay IDE and Liferay IDE dependencies, and click on next, and then click on next. Now accept the terms of the license agreement, then click finish. So it is throwing some warning: you are installing software that contains unsigned content. The authenticity or validity of the software cannot be established. Do you want to continue with the installation? Just click OK. So you will need to restart Eclipse for the installation changes to take effect. So you may try to apply the changes without restarting, but they may cause errors. So just restart the Eclipse. So now you can see a Liferay icons. So if you want to check whether Liferay ID is installed properly or not, so just go to help and click on about Eclipse. So you will see an Liferay badge icon here. So our ID is installed in Eclipse successfully. So you can see these icons here. So now we need to add our plugins directory and our Liferay portal runtime environment to the Eclipse. So how we can add those things, we will see now. So go to Windows, go to preferences, and go to Liferay, install plugin SDK. So now we want to add our plugins SDK to the Eclipse. So just click on add button and browse the location of the plugins directory available under Liferay 6 demo folder. So go to computers, D drive, Win, Java, Liferay 6 demo, and select plugins directory and click OK, and then click OK. So our plugins directory will be added here, and then click OK button. Now just go to Windows and then go to preferences. In order to add our Liferay portal runtime environment, go to servers and click on runtime environments and click on add and browse. Here we will see Liferay INC. Here click on Liferay 6.0 CE community edition and check the create a new local server, and then click next, and then browse the Tomcat under D drive, Win, Java, Liferay 6 demo, bundles, Tomcat. Click OK and then click finish, and then click OK. So we will see one server package here. So that's it.